Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I thought I'm going to do the another small video for the AdBlue and how you're going to check your AdBlue before into the car. Basically last week we done 4 jobs because of the poor quality AdBlue. I will add the link below. You can check that videos also well. Have a look what happened because many people using AdBlue without knowing what's going on and what happened. So I'm going to explain you quicker what's going on and what's happened. This brand, personally, I don't have any problem with the any brand. Basically, I have 3 main suppliers in Bromley. This is Eurocar Parts. This is my third supplier. Basically, they say months ago they had an offer and they asked me, do you need a AdBlue? I said yes. I checked the price and they sent me 7 cans, basically 6 cans here. Yesterday I returned one and I'm waiting for their reply, and after that I'm going to return these all cans because this one very smelly and it's not right consumption in urea. Basically urea need to be 32.5 or some dealers say 33% okay, but however this one 45 and bit smelly. Once I return 1 can, they said, oh, we never had a problem before we sent thousands. It's okay, 1,000 no, 10,000 I don't mind because I don't want to this junk stuff put it to my customer's car. Because of that, yes or no, I'm going to return. If they're not upset, I'm not going to deal with them anymore. I'm going to check it out. That's my policy. I don't want to give any problem for the my customer. Then after that, yesterday I ordered another 2 cans from GSF Motors. This is my second supplier. Then I open this can and I smell before I check with my meter. Even I couldn't my head put close to the there. It's very smelly, very urea smell. So I don't want to use my meter and check that one because of the smell. I know it's not good. And also this is the another brand. Basically last week I returned their 2 cans and after that they send another new 2 cans. First I'm checked their expiry date. It's 25th October and here they say clearly it's need to be 32.5. However, this is the new stock. This one has a 6-month expiry. This one has a 8-month expiry, but however it's not ready for use. It's not good. Basically it's contaminated and it's poor quality, so I'm not going to use this both brands. And this brand also I returned last week and I got the another 2 cans today. I'm going to open the can and smell first. Yeah, I can't smell any strong smell, so I think this is good quality. However, I'm not going to stop. That is the main my concern. If it smell, I'm not going furthermore. Now this one doesn't have any smell. I'm going to open the lid and I'm check with my meter. This is very important and useful meter. Buy this one and keep it with you before you use the AdBlue. Just smell. If it not smell, it shouldn't be any smell. After that, take a tiny drop and here like this, close the flap and have a look. Yeah, this one 31. This one also 33%, not 32.5. In here, I'm going to close this lid. In here, They clearly said need to 32.5, but however when I check with my meter it's 33, but slightly high, but it's acceptable. So I'm going to use this two. This one still I didn't check, but I'm assuming both good. However, I'm going to use this two. This everything I'm going to return. So unfortunately I can't filming what happened inside the meter, but however I take a screenshot and I'm going to add to the video, then you know what's going on there. Now I'm going to clean this meter and get ready for the next job. Make sure nice and clean, then you can reuse it. This is very valuable tool. If you have a diesel car, if you're using AdBlue, better to buy this one. If you want, I can add the link below. Normally it's not expensive, maybe 12 pound or 13 pound, but however end of the day you can save lot money if you know what you are doing. First thing, make sure no smell. Second thing, check with the meter, need to be 32.5 or 33. If it not, return. Don't add your car you digging problem. I will add link at the below. You can find out what happened to last. I think we film in two cars. However, four cars came last week, and today also one car outside. I don't know exactly what's going on, but however, it's very dangerous if you're using poor quality AdBlue. Thanks for watching. If you have any experience, if you spend thousand and thousand for like this repair, please comment below. Comment section open for you. Also, if you want to join with us our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click that link and join with us. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.